Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 141 Holiday Harbor on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is the ultimate designer showcase waterfront townhouse. So let's take a tour.
This is ultimate open waterfront living with a newly designed great room. Featuring a cook's kitchen with custom cabinetry with over and under cabinet lighting, floor lighting, plus stainless steel countertops and appliances. Open to a dining and living area with crown molding, accent lighting, and a sliding glass door to the private patio. All with an adjacent new powder room.
The totally updated second floor includes 2 bedrooms with water views, a laundry, plus a new and spacious designer bathroom, including a luxurious master bedroom. This spectacular designer waterfront townhome has over $100,000 of updates, making this a terrific value.
Just off the great room is this private patio, great for relaxing and entertaining with park-like and waterfront views.
Just off the patio is a spot for your boat. What a great way to spend time on Canandaigua Lake. Holiday Harbor is a great place to live. It's got a clubhouse, a tennis court, and a pool. Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain. What a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 141 Holiday Harbor on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!